Yeah, kunjalo ke wemakhosi. Hayi, sike sayithinta lento yesigodlo ngithi. Right. Sike sathinta lento yesigodlo ngiyakhumbula ngakhuluma ngegodlo ukuthi isigodlo siyini. All right, my next question. Right? So my next question, mina I'm teaching you how to ask correct questions. Questions that will help you grow spiritually. Questions that will help you get to the next level. Ungabuzi mina, you're not in my stable. If you're in my stable, mina, people in my stable, they know. Ntate, you know what I'm talking about, Angit. There we go. Very good. When we go and sikhuluma ngesimo sesigodlo. Yini isigodlo Angit? I spoke about this. Uthi kuze kuthiwe isigodlo ngoba kugodlwa ini kanjani na kanjani. Kuleyo ndawo ngoba indawo yani ela ekwazi ukuthi kufihlwe izinto zasekhaya eziyizimfihlo nani nokwema ukuthi yalashwa lapho kube isimo sokwelapha izimfihlo zakuleyo muzi loyo. Hayi ukuthi ngizofika mina ngithi hoyo manje nilapha kanjani la. What rubbish is that? Hey, inhlamba leyo. Imagine me coming to your place of work and you're working and I'm asking you, how do you heal? What rubbish is that? I'm not disrespecting you. I'm disrespecting your elders. Praise the Lord. All right. Let's ask the right questions. Isigodlo esinjani esinomgodi phakathi? Umuntu onjani loyo? Washa two. Isigodlo esinjani esingenalutho uthi mawungena nje usihleli nje kunalutho. Isigodlo esinjani esinomhembe. Ngiyayishobisa manje makhosi. Hey madoda, isigodlo esinjani esinendawo emuva yayo la kunento leyami la. Ask the right questions. Don't ask me. Ask your ancestors. Or ask those that are helping you. That is how you will learn. Sharp. Phile njalo ngeso. Ta.